Have you ever wondered why Python is everywhere, from web apps to artificial intelligence and even automation? Python powers so much of the modern technology world. Today, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Python programming language. We'll talk about what Python is, why it's so popular, its key features, advantages, disadvantages, applications, companies that make use of them, and how you can get started with Python programming language. So what exactly is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. It was created by Gudovan Rosen in 1991. It is designed to be simple, readable, and versatile, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Think of Python as a universal tool. It's like a Swiss Army knife for coding. You can use it for almost anything, from building websites to analyzing data and even to the extent of creating mobile games. So why is Python so popular? Number one reason why Python is so popular is beginner friendly. Python syntax is simple and similar to that of English language, making it easy to learn and understand by beginners. Another one is this versatile. It is used in various fields, including web development, artificial intelligence, data science, automation, and many more. It has a huge community support. Python has a massive community of developers, so you likely find the tutorials, forums, and resources to help you out, as you can see on my channel. It has a lot of community support. And key features of Python include the simple syntax. Python code is easy and clean to read without reducing the learning curve. It's an interpreted language. In this interpreted language, I talked about it in a video when I talked about the difference between interpreted and the compiled language. Python doesn't need the compilation. It executes code line by line, which makes debugging easier. That's just basically what interpreted languages do. They use what is called an interpreter to interpret their code. Dynamic type. You don't need to declare variables types. Python figures it out for you, unlike some other languages where you need to declare the variable type. It has an extensive library. Python has a built-in libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow that save a lot of developers' time and effort. And these libraries are mainly used for artificial intelligence and data science analysis purposes. There are a whole lot of them like Django, NumPy, which are for web development. Another one I'm going to look at is cross-platform. Python works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and a whole lot of other operating systems. You can code and run it anywhere. It's an object-oriented and dysfunctional. It supports multiple programming styles, giving you flexibility. Advantages of Python over other programming languages is that it's easy to learn. Even someone with no coding background can pick up Python quickly. It has rapid development. Python allows you to build prototypes and projects faster than many other programming languages. It has a huge, rich libraries and frameworks. Libraries like Django for web development and PyTorch for AI, TensorFlow, Django, Flask for web development make development much easier. It has a huge community support and it's highly versatile. Python is used in diverse industries from tech to healthcare to finances. And let's look at disadvantage of Python. It has slower execution since Python is an interpreted language, and when interpreted language run each script or code step by step, and which can make it slower compared to compiled languages like C++ or Java. High memory usage. Python consumes more memory, which may not be ideal for mobile and hardware limited environments. It's not ideal for mobile development because of the speed, and it has a runtime error because it's dynamically typed. You might encounter errors only when running the program. So next we're going to look at is the applications of Python programming language. The first one is the web development. Using libraries like Django, Flask, for example, makes it easy to build web application quickly and efficient. We also have the data science and analytics. Libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib help analyze and visualize data more efficiently. We have machine learning and AI. Python is the go-to-learn language for AI projects with tools like TensorFlow, scikit-learn, PyTorch, a whole lot of them are there too for machine learning project and AI. Automation and scripting. Python can automate repetitive tasks like sending emails or renaming files. In case of using Selenium, Playwright, these libraries help you in web automation. You can also talk about the PyAutoGUI for clicking, image recognition, and a whole lot of other things. We have the game development. Libraries like Pygame allow you to create simple game. We also have the scientific computing. Python is heavily used in fields like physics, bioinformatics, and astronomy. What are the companies that make use of Python programming language? A huge and popular a lot of companies make use of programming languages. Companies like Google, for example. Google uses Python for AI projects, backend services, and internal tools. Netflix, Python helps Netflix analyze data to recommend shows and for movies too. Instagram, its backend is built using Django and Python framework, while the Spotify, NASA, the Dropbox too. Why should we learn Python in the first place? One reason why you should learn Python in the first place is the career opportunity. Python developers are in high demand, especially in AI, data science, and web development. If you can learn Python programming language, there's a good pay grade to Python, and there's a whole lot of career opportunities to that. It's easy to learn, like I mentioned earlier. Python is beginner friendly, making it ideal first programming language to learn. Future proof. Python is versatile, ensure it will remain relevant for years to come. It has a lot of community and resources. So what are the challenges you might encounter when learning Python programming language? Unlike other languages, each language comes with its own challenges, but Python tends to has the lowest challenges you might face when learning it. And one of the challenges you can face is understanding concepts like object-oriented or OOP programming can be tricky at first, and it can be confusing as a beginner. Learning OOP or object-oriented programming can be a little bit tricky. Debugging can sometimes feel frustrating for beginners. As a beginner, debugging can be a little bit complex and really annoying for you. Learning libraries and frameworks takes time, but practice makes it perfect. So another thing is Python. For you to learn any programming language or Python programming language, you require patience. You can't just wake up in the morning and then open a chapter of book on Python and then you learn it that day. No, it doesn't work like that. It takes patience and then continuous learning. So I think these are one of the key things we should know about Python programming languages. Here's a recap of what we talked about in the video. We said that Python is a type of programming language that we can use to instruct computers to do specific tasks to us. We made mention of the advantages, the key features, challenges, why you should even learn Python programming language. Here is the logo of Python programming language is on my screen on top by the left hand corner. You see a Python logo there. So in case you see it anywhere, you won't get it confusing. So I think this should be it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. It's not going to take any money from you, just to hit the subscribe button. You can also like this video. You can also decide to share it with your friends. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.